What's up, guys? New product. It's been asked for several times, so I decided to go ahead and design this umbrella holder with a twist. Stick around. So this is going to serve as a demo for this as well as an installation video. So if you're purchasing this, watch this to see how to do it. It's really simple. So this is the old umbrella holder, which required you to remove the 3 screws out of here, and then you would put this in its place and bolt it down. Well, now you can leave your screws. All you have to do is pull your cover off, and you're going to take this, you're going to take your O-ring off of your twist cover from that. You're going to place it on this so it will remain watertight. And then where it says top, you're going to place that towards the top area, but you're going to twist it just a tad. It's really tight to fit in there, especially the first time. It's going to be in that orientation right there. Push down and twist. It's really tight, guys. There's your umbrella holder. All right, so right now I've got a flag in there. You can put an umbrella in there. The hole is just over 25 millimeters, so 26 millimeters, about 1 inch in diameter. Now keep in mind, this is just like the original umbrella holder. So you're not gonna be able to put this in here and run. I mean, you probably can. I don't advise it. It's meant to be out there while you're anchored at the seine bar and so on. So just like the original, only you don't need any tools to put this on. 0 tools whatsoever for installation. So these are very strong. I will be offering these in different colors, so check them out on the website, guys. So I responded with, you know, if you make one with the twist, we're interested. Here it is.